Good morning, everyone. This is Finger Doodles 101. I thought I'd show you something. This is Twinkle Toes and Skittles, and usually within 15 minutes they're asking to come inside. And it's a nice rainy day, very relaxing, and they have been so relaxed and happy. I don't know if they can see me through here, but I'm sure if I get too close, maybe they'll see me. Maybe not. I know their cage looks dirty. Well, it is actually. I have to clean it out. But look at this. And if you can see over there, Twinkle Toes is actually talking. His little beak moving. And they're just loving this weather. You know, most birds right now are in a tree and letting the rain fall on their wings. And because they have certain coating on their wings, it repels. Yeah. I wish I can remember the name that only conures, I believe only conures have this. Carotene, I think it's called. Or they have this one specific white feather close to their bum, very hidden away, that every single time they take a good shower and a shower, as they are drying up or almost dried, they will start to press on that and take bits and pieces of that little, I think it's carotene. I don't know what it is. I don't know why I keep saying that word, but it's somewhat of an oil. It helps their feathers to be sealed, and the water will bead off of their feathers, and it's like an anti-dust also. So, and from what I believe, I think only the conures have it. So I have a sun conure and a green cheek conure, and they are very, very happy. And those of you that usually feel very embarrassed by a dirty cage, relax, it's okay, it happens. Just remember to clean it out eventually throughout the day. I like to clean everything. And if you can see that bright stick that's light pink or neon pink, what I like to do is wrap it, you know that arm bandage, the bandages? Well, I wrap them in that so they have good grip, and if they dirty it, I can take it off and put in a new one. And you can get them really cheap in a big box in Amazon. I don't have a link, but just look for arm bandage, wrapping bandage, and you can find it there, and they come in all sorts of colors. So you can see that little, this right there has it. That right there has it. This whole stick has it. That has it. And when it gets too dirty where I can't clean it off anymore, I just cut it off and put on a new one. It's that simple, y'all. Well, I thought I'd show you this. And the birds are so quiet and enjoying the rain, which makes me really happy. Because they're not asking, I want out, I want out, get me out of here. Lately, Twinkle Toes, which is that one right there, that's Twinkle Toes, he's been having a lot of separation anxiety because throughout the whole summer he had my son, who he's completely bonded to, and he hasn't had to feel incredibly protective, like really protective. So he's been very, very happy. But now that he's gone to school, he is so used to that when my twins come home, which are in, they're in elementary and they get home at 2. My other son is in high school now and he gets home at 4. So Twinkle Toes was always very used to that as soon as the twins came home, that his, I guess you'd say daddy, would come home right afterwards. So he stands there waiting and waiting and waiting. He doesn't see him. And then he starts to get very aggressive and upset. He's just trying to get adjusted with the hours and the timing. And then daddy comes home. But lately I have not been able to truly let him out of the cage like I used to, because he's been very angry with the change. And I used to let him out just so that he could be out, but if I would go by him, he'll attack me. And no, that's not going to happen in my home. I do understand why he's doing it. I'm not taking it personal at all. I'm not mad. It's just that it's going to take a while for him to understand that daddy comes home at 4. And with time, he'll ease up with me. And I give him his little treat and walk away, because I just don't want to get, I'm just as traumatized as he is. So I thought I'd let you see this. And those of you who are bird owners, don't take things too personal. Try and read into it, understand your bird, and it does get better, and you learn a lot. And boy, do I love birds with a passion. Love you, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Love, love. Bye-bye.